Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Congratulations are in order to Vuyuka Zingiweni Ukalama business ake guys. Ukela started two businesses in 1 week and people are saying wow Kela sevenza Kela. So qala business etinwele waqala business ema iPhone. So people are saying Kela ave utimisela or some even saying ukuthi uyabona ukuthi mabhadi kahle kahle wena bawufakela ngimpumelelo ayikho nje indzaba yampumelelo uthe kusuka kumpumelelo waflorisha girl impilo yakho yaflorisha wayetheki wenda mtimba nyaluqala amabhizinisi. Your life is just amazing girl. People are even saying ukuthi uyabona silapha abantu babambelelana empilweni abantu futhi bavalelana angisho netinhlanhla bukela ugel ukuthi tinto takhe timhambela kahle njani, and people are saying ukuthi la khona impumelelo uthi damn girl. Oh damn girl, because oh wow uyasebenta mntwana uyasebenta into batani siyabona futhi ukuthi nalapha kuzingane ezisithemba akasekho vele lokusho kona kusinikeza siqinisekiso ukuthi vele ugel uphume 8 lapha kwaMseleku ayisekho nje indlela emhlanganisa anaba kwaMseleku ke uvuyokazi guys icanda lekhandi njengoba labaningi bamthanza ngendlela lesimanga akekho ke umuntu othanzwa njengavuyokazi lapha kuma social media platforms abantu bayamthanza and bayamlwela always because people are saying ukuthi she's kind, she's down to earth. Akasa ngisho bambone aprovoke umuntu ngisho nalaphana akuyini lesho leya izingane azesithembu, like she was always quiet bekuprovoke nje yena, hence why abantu bathanza akumela bayasho nje ukuthi girl halala. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.